dental surgeon, grabs you an opportunity to explain you the thorough fumigation process that has been undertaken in our clinic in order to keep you secure and ourselves too. It is very necessary now in this pandemic period of COVID-19 that you and I, the complete family, stay very secure, safe. It is very necessary if the patient, the attendant along with them, the practitioner ourselves, and we stay safe, everything will be safe around us. So yeah, as in our day-to-day life, we all know how sanitizing, washing our hands in an interval of every 20 minutes, wearing masks, gloves, hatchet have been an important part. It's playing a very vital role in our day-to-day life, right? So yeah, let me explain you the thorough process, how we deal with it, how to deal with it. And it is very necessary, even you need to take care of your houses, your surroundings, your areas, and keep sterilizing or disinfecting the complete area thoroughly so as you stay safe, you stay secure. So yeah, the process of being or keeping ourselves clean and safe is very much necessity. We use the fumigating gun in order to keep ourselves, our practitioners, and the whole chamber very clean. So now let me give you the sneak peek of the complete fumigation process that we have been taking in our chamber, and I hope you will like it and you will start doing it. You will make it a habit of your own to keep clean the surrounding, your houses, your office, your shops. It is not only necessary that doctor chamber should be clean, should be sterilized. It is very necessary that every shops, every surrounding, every offices need to be fumigated, need to be very much sterilized with some or the other method, like using some sanitizers, fumigating guns. We have been getting so many things in the market available. So now, yeah, let's check the whole process how it is done, and I hope you all will start doing it.